Hi there, I'm Tim, and this is Tim's Woodworking. And in this video, I have a question for you. When you go out to the shop or into the craft room or wherever it is you're going to go do some work, what do you listen to? Do you listen to anything? So, the reason I ask that is I actually have a suggestion for you. And this may sound like a complete advertisement video, and maybe in some ways it is, but it's not a paid advertisement, unfortunately. So, anyway, I want to tell you about Ministry League. So, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be cutting out their logo. And as I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you a little bit about them. So, stay with me.
So here we are starting on the project and getting out all the stuff that we need to make this. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about Ministry League. If you go to their website, theministryleague.com, or you can download their app. They have an app out on Apple and Android. And they have tons of resources for churches. Go check them out. But they also have what's called the Ministry League Network. And on this network, as of the recording of this video, they have 55 different podcasts that are part of the network. And that's why the question, what do you listen to? If you want something to listen to, I'm sure there's a podcast as part of the Ministry League Network that you might enjoy, like listening to while you're out doing your thing in your craft room or in your workshop. So again, we're showing the names of the different podcasts on the screen here. And I'll definitely leave links to both their YouTube channel and also to their website in the description down below. So definitely go check those out. And if you have a minute, go over and subscribe to their YouTube channel. See, I'm not even asking you to subscribe to mine. I'm asking you to subscribe to theirs. If you want to do both, that'd be great too. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this project as I move along here. Any questions, comments, feel free to leave them down below. So listen to some music. Enjoy the rest of this. Thanks.
Well, I guess this wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Here's the look at the final piece. The shiny is the polyurethane we put on there. So again, I hope you enjoyed the project and enjoyed the video. And I do hope you give some consideration to going over and checking out the Ministry League Network over on YouTube or on their app. So again, thanks for joining me. Take care.